Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to enhance your home and workspace. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best steel shelves for storage heavy-duty, the Seville Classics Solid Steel Wire Shelving Storage Unit. Whether you're looking to organize your kitchen, garage, or office, this shelving unit promises to meet all your storage needs while standing the test of time. Constructed with industrial-strength steel wire, the Seville Classics shelving unit boasts a durable chrome plating that provides essential corrosion resistance, making it perfect for dry environments. With a sleek design that fits seamlessly into any setting, it not only serves a functional purpose but also adds a modern touch to your decor. This unit measures 30 inches wide by 14 inches deep and stands at an impressive 48 inches tall. It features 4 adjustable tiers, allowing you to customize the height of each shelf to accommodate items of various sizes. The shelves can be adjusted in 1-inch increments without the need for any tools, making assembly a breeze. Imagine organizing your books, kitchenware, or garage tools effortlessly. Each shelf can hold up to 300 pounds, making it incredibly robust. This means you can stack heavy items without worry, ensuring everything is securely stored. One standout feature of this shelving unit is its mobility. Equipped with 1.5-inch diameter casters, you can easily reposition the shelves wherever you need them. Whether you're moving them to clean the floor or just need to change up your layout, these wheels make it simple and hassle-free. This kind of versatility is essential in any busy home or workplace, allowing you to create the perfect storage solution that fits your lifestyle. Whether you're in a bustling kitchen, a home office, or even a garage filled with tools and equipment, the Seville Classics shelving unit excels in every environment. Its professional-grade design ensures that it can withstand the rigors of everyday use while maintaining an appealing aesthetic. From storing cookware and pantry items to housing books, plants, or even heavy-duty garage supplies, this shelving unit has proven its worth across various settings. Now, let's talk about assembly. This unit is straightforward to put together. With no tools required, you can have your shelves set up and ready for use in no time. Simply follow the user manual included in the packaging, and you'll be good to go. The user manual is clear and concise, guiding you through each step to ensure a hassle-free setup. This is a significant advantage, especially for those who may not be handy or experienced with DIY projects. In summary, the Seville Classics Solid Steel Wire Shelving Storage Unit stands out as an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a reliable, heavy-duty storage solution. Its impressive weight capacity, adjustable shelves, and ease of mobility make it one of the best shelving units on the market today. If you're looking to declutter and organize your space effectively, this is the product for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this shelving unit or what products you'd like us to review next. Happy organizing!